Hello friend, I hope your preparation is going well and my video is helping you. Today in this tutorial we will solve a problem which is from thermodynamics and based on heat and work. So let's make it clear what is given in the question and what you have to find. In the given question there is an insulated rigid tank which is divided into two equal parts by a partition. That's when volume is divided into two equal parts. Initially one part contain 4 kg of ideal gas at 800 kilopascal pressure and temperature of 15 degrees Celsius, and other part is evacuated. And the meaning of evacuated is there is no gas in the other part of partition, that is other part is vacuum, and when partition is removed the gas expand into the entire tank. Since the other part of partition is vacuum, and when the partition layer is removed then the gas will definitely expand throughout the entire tank. And we have to find the value of final temperature and final pressure in the tank after the expansion of gas. It is an easy problem, and if you don't understand what is given then it will be a little bit difficult to solve. So friend, I hope you have understand this question very well. Now let's go for the solution. Here I have supposed T2 is final temperature and P2 is final pressure. Mass of ideal gas, that is M, is 4 kg. P1 is initial pressure 800 kilopascal and T1 15 degrees Celsius is given in the question. And according to the question, when this layer got removed then the ideal gas expand throughout the tank, and at that situation potential energy of this ideal gas got converted into kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is equal to potential energy, and in this way the internal energy is conserved. That is why change in internal energy is equal to 0, and internal energy is mc delta t. So mcv into t2 minus t1 is equal to 0, and now this equation become t2 minus t1 is equal to 0. So t2 is equal to t1 and t1 is 50 degrees Celsius. So final temperature T2 is equal to 50 degrees Celsius also. Now by ideal gas equation we know PV is equal to mRT, and here mass, temperature and R is also constant. So PV is equal to constant. Since PV is equal to constant, so we can write P1 into V1 is equal to P2 into V2. So P2 is equal to P1 into V1 divided by V2. Since V2 is final volume of gas and gas expand throughout the tank, so V2 is equal to volume of tank, and V1 is volume of one partition, that is V1 is equal to half of volume of tank. So P2 is equal to 800 into volume of tank, that is Vt, divided by 2 into Vt. So by Vt is cancel out, and from here P2 is equal to 400 kilopascal. So here we have got the value of P2 and T2. So friend, I hope you have understood how to approach this type of question, and if you have any doubt feel free to ask in comment section. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a good day.